friends, welcome back to our channel. So finally we are back with one more special recipe. If I call this as a recipe, it doesn't make it justice. This is more than a recipe to us. It's emotion, guys. And yeah, kala karna se mama. Excitement build karna sa tu akapodo na say. What you are doing, mama? Oh, mama. I was about to build excitement. That's okay. So never mind. So today we are going to show you how to prepare the special Bafat powder at home. And trust me, folks, whatever you prepare at home, it gives the best taste and flavor. So this Bafat powder is nothing but it's a spice mix which we use in our coastal region. And although this is a spice mix, this is like an alternative to chili powder, turmeric powder and coriander powder. There is no need to use all of this because everything is in this Bafat spice mix. So without further ado, let's see how to prepare this special Bafat powder in a step-by-step process. Come along with us, let's enjoy the video. If you're new to our channel, do hit the subscribe button, do like our video and also do share with your friends. And yeah, now let's see how to prepare Bafat powder. Yeah folks, come. Here we have 150 grams of Kashmiri red chili, 25 grams of short red chili, 25 grams of cloves, 20 grams of cinnamon, 50 grams of turmeric stick or what we call raw turmeric, 50 grams of jeera, 25 grams of poppy seeds, 125 grams of coriander seeds. And yeah, this is it folks. And now let's move into the next step. To preserve it for a year, first you need to make sure there is no moisture present in those ingredients. So take a piece of paper and spread it out on that and leave it to dry out in the sunlight till evening. Whatever the moisture present in those ingredients gets dried out, and then you can powder it and you can store it for a year. So once you are done spreading out nice and evenly on the paper, just place the heavy stones around the corners, or else all the ingredients might scatter away during a heavy breeze. Now we are going to cover those ingredients with this white cloth, right mama?
Yeah.
So yeah, this much of sufficient I guess. Yeah. So first thing is to protect it from dust. It acts as a protective layer. And one more thing to protect it from flock of birds. Yes, we have a lot of birds flying around over here. If they find those ingredients, they will dive over there, they will attack and they will snatch it from us, and we can't prepare the Bafat powder. And yeah, now mama is going to cover it. And yeah, cover it nicely and place the stones on the cloth. Okay, yeah. Already tanka sangla me Sanjay misa sukundi buno. And yeah guys, one more reminder, keep it to dry till evening. Yes. So zale istane. So yeah guys, almost all the process is done, and now let it dry out till evening. So see you in the evening folks. Bye bye. Bye mama, Sanjay misa. Look at the cloud folks, it looks very gloomy out here. I think it's going to rain right now, and if you check this side, the clouds are very clear, so it's going to rain from that side. And yeah, and now yeah, I can feel the drizzling. It's going to rain I guess. It has started drizzling. And check out over here what we had kept to dry. I think it has dried well. Yeah. And now let's remove, right mama? Yeah. It's going to rain.
Yeah. First. Dul pare.
Oi. Pero da dula saja.
Dekha deta.
Ulukad. So yeah folks, check out over here. Look at this guys. It's very crispy. Can you hear that sound? And yeah, check out that chilies as well. Perfect dry zalane. Yeah, cut mama puro. So yeah folks, before all of the ingredients goes into the blender, First, we need to crush this turmeric stick. Show them, Mama, the turmeric stick. So as you can see over here, this is the turmeric stick. So this doesn't get crushed in the blender. So what we are going to do is, over here we have the traditional mortar. This is 70 years old, right, Mama?
Yeah.
So using this, we are going to crush the raw turmeric, and then the crushed raw turmeric goes into the blender. So yeah, now let's start the crushing process. And yeah folks, check this out over here, and this is what we got from crushing the turmeric, and this turmeric goes into the blender along with the other ingredients. And now folks, transfer all of the ingredients into the mixer jar, and we need to make a fine powder of it. And check this out folks, over here, look at the Bafat powder, how beautiful it has come out. And yeah, Mama has blended all the spices into a fine powder, and trust me folks, the camera doesn't make a justice. You should be present over here in person to smell the fragrance of the Bafat powder. It smells really amazing. We got all the ingredients for 200 rupees, and out of those ingredients we got so much of Bafat powder, and this Bafat powder goes into the airtight container, and we can store it for a year, and we can use it whenever we require. So yeah folks, finally we are done with the Bafat powder, and trust me folks, the Bafat powder has come out really amazing. And yeah, so far my mama used to prepare Bafat powder at home itself, but today she taught me from the initial process to the end how to prepare Bafat powder. And if any one of you wants Bafat powder, just DM me, I will give you at the best price available in the market. Don't tell mama, okay? Okay, so yeah folks, so thank you so much for staying tuned throughout the video. If you like this video, do hit the like button, do subscribe, do share with your friends, and yeah, if you have any suggestions, please let us know in the comment section below. We will be glad to know about that, right mama? So yeah, until next time, bye bye, see you guys, love you all, take care, be safe, the lockdown is still going on, take care of your family, and yeah, so we'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.